Hi all, my name is Praisal. I work as a business development manager for Starwhites, India Private Limited, and we are into manufacturing commercial washing machines and all the laundry equipments. We also manufacture hydro extractors, we manufacture irons, and we also manufacture tumble dryers. We are mainly into commercial washing machines for hospitals, hotels, colleges, old age orphanages, and we are into hotel industry where we supply for the bigger hotels like 3-star hotels and 5-star hotels. And we have been in this market for like 36 years now. So we believe in quality, and we also believe in giving the right solution for the right people at the right time. We are giving you a solution where we are assuring you that 100% whatever the clothes you're going to give, it is going to be 100% clean with the help of our washing machines, the commercial washing machines, and with the help of our hydro extractor, which extracts more than 80% of the water, and also with the help of our tumble dryer, which leaves only 2% of the moisture on the cloth. And when I just want to give you an example of 50-bedded hospital, but they give their linen bed covers outside for the laundry. But what happens is, like, they don't know whether the blood stains have gone completely or it's washed properly. And the bed sheet is not clean to its 100% potential. So now the same disease is transferred to the person who has just joined with a smaller issue. So we are trying to eradicate this kind of issues where most of the hospitals, they need an in-house laundry, and we are the best solution for the laundry. Thank you.